Today, I'm going to show you how to enable advanced typography in Word, step by step, so you can unlock better text rendering and more precise typography controls in your documents. This is a quick but useful setting to know about, especially if you work with professional documents, design-heavy files, or you just want Word to display text more cleanly and accurately. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start with a blank document or any existing file, because we only need to change one setting inside Word itself. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This takes you into the main Word menu, where all the program settings are located. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves, how it displays content, and how it handles editing and advanced features. If you've never been in this menu before, don't worry, it's very straightforward. Inside the Word Options window, look at the left-hand panel and choose Advanced. This section contains a long list of advanced editing and display settings, so you may need to scroll slightly until you find the correct area. Once you're in the Advanced tab, keep looking through the options until you find the setting labeled Use Advanced Typography. When you see Use Advanced Typography, check the box next to it. This is the key step that enables the feature in Word. Once the box is selected, Word will be set to use the advanced typography options for improved text handling and formatting behavior. Depending on your version of Word, this setting may be in a slightly different place, but it will still be under File, Options, and then Advanced. After you've checked the box, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. That's important because if you close the window without confirming, the setting may not be applied. Once you click OK, the change is saved immediately. At this point, advanced typography is enabled in Word. You can go back to your document and continue working as usual. If you're using Word for layouts, publishing, reports, or any kind of document where text appearance matters, this setting can make a noticeable difference in how content is handled on screen and in print. If you want to double-check that it worked, you can return to File, then Options, then Advanced, and confirm that the box is still checked. That's a simple way to verify the setting is active. And that's it. You've now enabled advanced typography in Word in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.